everyone, this is Wally and welcome back to Mukta Arts and Studios. So, this session lo vachi Kora fancy sarees tho vachanu mee mundiki. Let me explain my saree first. So, idu vachi manchi brighter shade of orange with purple on borders toti undi. So, you can also see this mirror work on the borders. And saree mottam manaki zari toti checks boxes icharu, very tiny checks boxes and complete saree. So, here we have mirror work. So, chala light mirror work undi saree anta. Coming to the prices, we have single price in this session, 2,500 rupees only. Here comes the first piece on mannequin. So, this is a saree ki similar pattern with a different color combination. Parrot green with pink on borders, onion pink on borders with parrot green. So, also on this border we have mirror work. So manchi chinna mirrors unnayi, complete border anta kuda with zari on it. So this is the second piece with a beautiful print in the background of cream. So here we have third piece on mannequin similar to what I'm wearing on. It's a peach with blue color lo undi, peach and blue. So this is how the blouse is designed. We have got some maggam work on it. So this is the final piece on mannequin with floral print on it. So you can see multiple color floral print on the complete saree with black on borders. The rest of the collection. On this we have cream with red color print. So this is circular rings format lo undi, print anta with red. And on borders we have mirrors, single mirrors placed on two sides of the border. Here is the pallu with a beautiful blouse. So these are Kora fancy sarees. Coming to its price, it costs 2,500 rupees only. So this is with parrot green and pink. So most of the sarees are in this similar pattern with checks boxes and beautiful zari work on borders. This is a blouse. Sorry, that is the pallu, and here we have the blouse. Sorry for the confusion. So on the blouse you can see this work. So we have slightly designed maggam work on the blouse. Price is 2,500 rupees only. So this is similar to 4 piece on display with beige color in the background and complete saree is in with red. Also we have randomly placed mirrors on this floral print. Here we have the pallu with a contrast blouse. So price, you already know the prices in this session. So it's 2,500 only. We have single price for all the sarees in this session. It's 2,500 only. So this is very similar to what I'm wearing on. So the color combination is also same, but the orange color is bit lighter with pallu, and this is the blouse. Price is 2,500 only. So we have lime green with blue on borders for this one. So for all the sarees we have a slightly designed mirror work. So we have mirrors placed on complete saree with pallu. So this is the blouse with work. Price is 2,500 rupees only. So these are Kora fancy sarees. And here we have another beautiful shade. You can see two colors on this, orange and pink. This is the pallu. Let's see the blouse. So the blouse is beautifully designed with a big border for sleeves. Price is 2,500 rupees only. So we have yellow and blue on this one with tiny checks boxes. So these are similar pattern sarees with multiple color combinations. With pallu, and this is the blouse. Price is 2,500 only. And on this we have green and blue. So this is apple green with blue, lighter shade of blue pallu. And this is the blouse. So if you observe one thing, we have got the single flower on all the blouses with border color thread in it. Price for this one is 2,500 only. For orders, please do contact us on this WhatsApp number. ఇప్పుడు వరకు చూపించిన సారీస్లో మీకు ఏది నచ్చినా వెంటనే స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకుని ఇక్కడ ఉన్న నెంబర్కి వాట్సాప్ చేయండి. We do ship throughout the globe. Also, we have noted our Google Pay contacts on this note. Take a screenshot of this one and keep it handy. And on this we have yellow and pink. This is a pallu with blouse. So you can see the contrast blouses for most of the sarees. So the prices are 2,500 only. So this is parrot green with pink and checks lines on the complete saree body. Here is the pallu. And blouse. Price is 2,500 rupees only. So a similar saree to what I'm wearing on with a different design on borders. So the border work is bit differently designed with pallu. And let's see the blouse for this. So this is how the blouse looks like. Price for this one is 2,500 rupees only. So we have seen many similar color combinations, but the border work is different and unique for each and every saree. So let's see the next piece. So this is green with pink, and on this we have mango booties on border with pallu. And here is the blouse. Price is 2,500 only. So let's see the next one. On this saree we have orange and pink. So when it comes to border, we have circular rings and floral filling inside of the borders. This is the pallu. And here comes the blouse. Price is 2,500 rupees only. So we have green and blue for this. On borders we have floral meenakari work pattern with pallu. Price is 2,500 only. So guys, don't get confused. I'm reading out what kind of pattern we are having on the borders. So we might have unique color, similar color combinations with too many pieces. But on each and every sari, we have a unique design on the border. So when it comes to this piece, we have yellow with pink on borders and mango booties given with pallu. So this is the blouse. Price is 2,500 rupees only. So it's a Kalnita mixed color, orange and pink on this. So when it comes to border design, we have mango booties on this too. So you can see two different sizes of mango booties on the border. So this is the work. So on this we have beads, golden beads and golden colored stones. Price is 2,500 only. So also we can see two different shades on this, green and blue Kalnita mixed piece with self-colored blouse. So on this we have peacocks with pallu and blouse. Price is 2,500 only. So let's see the next piece. So we have seen two different colors in this. With the background of beige, we have black and red. So here goes pink with floral print, and also on each and every flower we have mirrors placed. A single mirror placed on floral work with pallu. So for this we have a contrast pink colored blouse. Price is 2,500 only. For orders, please contact us on this WhatsApp number. ఇప్పుడు వరకు చూపించిన కలెక్షన్లో మీకు ఏ సారీ నచ్చినా take a screenshot of it and share us on this WhatsApp number. We do ship throughout the globe. So guys, keep placing orders. Let's see the rest of the collection. So this, we have already seen this color combination with green and blue Kalnita mixed piece. So on this border we have floral pattern work with pallu, and here is the blouse. Price is 2,500 only. So this is pink with yellow. Two shades are on the sari. So on borders you can see two mango booties. Pallu and blouse. Price, you already know the price in this video. It's 2,500 rupees only. So yellow and blue is here. So with meenakari work given on the borders. Here is a pallu with a self-colored blouse. So this is the blouse. Price is 2,500 only. So this is orange again. It's a lighter shade of orange with pallu. So and this is the blouse. Price is 2,500 only. So yellow and pink with hot pink on borders. So on borders we have mango booties, pallu, and here we have the blouse. Prices for the sarees are 2,500 rupees only, very reasonable price. So this is yellow with pink again. mango motifs given on this border are little bit bigger when compared to the rest of the sarees. And let's see the blouse. So this is orange and pink with mango booties. So most of them were mango booties, but the placement given is a bit different. So for some sarees we have 2 mango booties placed at one place, and for others we have single mango motifs. So the design given is unique on each and every piece. So this is with pink and orange and blue on borders, with pallu and blouse. Price, you already know the price, it's 2,500 only. So this is green with blue, with pallu, and here is the blouse. So we have orange and pink for this on borders with pallu. So on pallu we have hot pink with blouse. Price is 2,500 only. So now we are left out with only floral prints are printed sarees with mirrors on it. So let's see those sarees. So these are 2 pretty in light with bead in the background, and flowers given on this are designed with orange. This is a pallu with blouse. Price is 2,500 only. So we have multiple colors on this. Just have a look at it with a background of beige. We have green and yellow colored flowers. Pallu. So for this we have self-colored blouse. Price is 2,500 only. So it's a differently printed saree. So you can see all diamonds on this with red. Pallu. And here is the blouse. Let's see the last piece for this video. And you can see a beautiful floral print on this too, with shades of maroon and mustard yellow. Here is a pallu, and a self-colored blouse is given for the saree. Price is 2,500 rupees only. So for all sarees shown in this session, we have a single price range. It's 2,500 rupees only. They are very reasonable Kota fancy sarees. మీకు ఏ సారీ నచ్చినా వెంటనే స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకుని ఇక్కడ ఉన్న నెంబర్కి వాట్సాప్ చేయండి. We will ship throughout the globe. Also we have Google Pay contact on this note. Take a screenshot of this note and keep it handy.